Hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button and leave me a comment. You know, tell me about your variation. Tell me what you got. Tell me about your favorite palette. I don't know. So let's get started. It is Boxycharm, June 2021. I forgot it was June already. I was gonna say May. This year is just going by so quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. I didn't get to see a preview, so this is my first time seeing. I have no idea what's in it. And you know, so I just haven't had the time. I've been all over the place. And but I do like to be surprised sometimes rather than know what's coming in my box all the time. So let's get started. And besides, you get to see my real reaction, like, is she happy about that one? Is she upset about, not upset, but is she sad about that one? Is she, you know? So let's get started. Let's see what kind of emotions play out on this one. It's a bigger box than the last one I remember being. The box is a little bit beat up, but it's a little bit beat up, but it came super early this month, which I'm very happy with. Hello, Charmers, Basebox. So today, the theme is Dare to Dazzle. I like that. Dare to Dazzle. I like the way that sounds. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So we're gonna go ahead and get started already. We always start from the bottom. So this is Vitamasques Sustainable Nourish Flower Nectar, biodegradable sheet mask and echo pouch made with multi-peptides, ceramides, probiotics, and flower extracts. Vegan, clean, adaptogenic, probiotic, eco-friendly. It's one mask. This probably isn't a $1 mask. Experience the world's first ever range of biodegradable mask and packaging, allowing one-time use items to be more sustainable and eco-friendly. Nourish, a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts, such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair the skin. Wow, that sounds like scrumptious. Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, does that have anything to do with vitamin B? And a super berry complex that includes raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. God, I love all that natural berry and hibiscus and stuff. So, ooh, and it feels like there's a liquid in there or something. So, give this a try. Oh, the MSRP is $18 for this. Whoa. Okay, so next up, we're gonna do, I have never heard of this brand. It's called Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. Exfoliating, hydrating, and smoothing. And here is the little container. It is 0.5 fluid ounces. To apply, apply generous amount to lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with damp cotton pad to remove. Use weekly for optimal results. Only weekly, okay. This lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. Ooh. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. Well, that sounds nice. I mean, smiling is always great. MSRP is $19. Ooh, okay. Well, okay. So next up, we're gonna take the, no, not that one, not that one. Go to this one, the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Oh, stop trying to flatter me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. There's a little sticker on it. The MSRP on this one is $34. Wow, that's pretty looking. That's pretty. Okay, so next up we have Isle of Paradise. That is this stuff right here. Body Glow High Glow Self Tan Serum. I can already tell you that I won't use this, but it's a really hard bottle. Isle of Paradise High Glow Body Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. A moisture boosting tan serum infused with hyaluronic acid for visibly brighter, firmer, glowing skin all over. The lightweight formula delivers an instant burst of moisture that absorbs within seconds and is never tacky. The mess-free dropper can be applied directly to skin, enriched with a signature complex of plant-based oils. This is a healthy cocktail for your skin to drink up. Oh my! Now a cocktail drink up. I don't really drink anymore, but you know. So to put it on, to use it, apply 4 to 12 drops. 4 to 12 drops per body part directly to skin. Oh, that's too much work for me. The MSRP, did I say that already? It's $34? No, $35. I mean, it's a big bottle, but it sounds like you gotta use a lot each time. So, I don't know. Oh wait, so we have 2 masks. Okay, I didn't even realize they were talking about 2 masks the whole time. This one feels the same as the other one. This is the Glow Juicy Berries. And so now it's 2 masks for $18. So that makes it a little bit better. But still $9 a mask. But they better be good for that price, right? Okay, so Glamglow Supercleanse. I love Glamglow. I didn't even finish reading the rest. I got so excited. Supercleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Wait, Supercleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Okay. An advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. I am really liking that one. Okay, this is the king of the box. This is the winner. MSRP is $32. Yes, I have used their products before, so I do know that they're good. I used to have a cleanser actually, and it was my favorite cleanser that, I don't remember what it was, but it was great. It was a foaming cleanser. Came out of the gel, foamed up really well. So I think I am going to enjoy this one. This is my little baby now. Okay, so that is all for our box. And we have these items, right? Oh wait, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall, I would say this box it's a win, because of this thing here. This one is pretty too, but yeah, I'm happy with this box. I'm not gonna complain. I can't complain. So thanks Boxycharm, and thank you for making it come so early. You got bonus points this month. You got good points this month, I'll give you that. So that is it for my unboxing for the Boxycharm June 2021 for the base box. Tell me all about yours in the comments, and if you've tried any of these products, let me know how they work. I'm especially curious about this one and this one. All of them. I'm curious about all of them. So let me know how they worked for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Bye.